to Sewing Saturdays. Today I'm doing a jersey style headband. Very easy to make, and you can even use scrap fabric for it. You do need to have a stretchy fabric though, just so it stretches with the headband, and so you can get it over your head, because if you use a cotton, it's not as stretchy. So right now I'm doing a knit. This part here that I cut out as a pattern is my headpiece part, the big chunk part. So you want to cut it with the stretch of the fabric and with your pattern. So how we're gonna cut this out, the foxes will be facing out. So we're just gonna quickly cut this. This piece is 8 inches by 16 inches across. Okay, so there's the big piece here, and then we're going to do a little piece. The little piece of fabric is just so you can encapsulate your elastic. So this one is 2 inches by 5 inches. Or if your elastic is a little bit thicker, you can just adjust size for that. And I just cut that little piece out previously, just like that. So then now what we need to do, we need to sew the edge. I like to do a zigzag stitch because it stretches with the fabric. And we also need to sew the little tube as well. So we're going to go to the sewing machine for that. Okay, so now we just have to take your tubes, sewn tubes, and put them right side out. Right, we're almost done. So now what we need is a 2.5 inch elastic, and we're just going to tuck it into the small tube here. If I can, I wanted to try something, put it safety pin, makes it a little easier. We're going to leave the safety pin in so we can fish it out on the other end when we need it for the other side of the headband. Okay, so you want to have the seam on the middle of the headband, and you want to have it facing down. So how you're going to wear it is facing up, and then you want to have your small tube with the seam facing up, and then we're just going to match the seams together with the elastic hanging out a little bit, just so you can see it when you sew. And you want to fold one side and then another side, and then we're just going to zigzag stitch it. Okay, so we're all sewn up, so we're going to flip this right side out. We still have that paper clip in there, so we're just going to do the exact same thing but on the opposite side. So seam down for the big part and seam up for the small part, But now, because we have that safety pin, we can pull your elastic just like so. Line it up. And then fold it, and then you're just gonna sew it again. And here comes the magic. Finish headband.